Hey y'all, hope you're having a beautiful day. Thought about doing something a little different. Want to make a door wood round, but I'm going to do a paint pour on it. The text I'm using is Algerian in Design Space, and my wood round is about 11.75. It's a thin one. I picked up some affordable paints at the Dollar Tree in their plus section. I have some pouring medium. I have the roaster pan, the cookie sheets, so we don't make a mess. Someone who doesn't like a lot of mess. Making a very messy project has to get creative. How do you do yours? Pre-mixed. They had more colors than this. These are just what I grabbed. $3 a bottle. Seems fair to me. I don't have a lot to go on, so tell me your thoughts. Shake well, pour, quickly flip, tilt, and let dry. It really is that easy. Okay, now I'm going to mix a blue. This is so much more neon green. I think it's coming across pretty yellow on camera. The others look really similar to what they are though. Pick a blue. What blue would you do? Would you go deep? Would you go light? Would you go bright? Would you lay your vinyl and then pour, peeling up your vinyl and leaving the wood? Or would you pour and then lay your vinyl? My thought is I really want to see the black. I really want to see it. So my hope is I am going to pour. It's a two-sided board. We can always do it over. I'm going to pour and then put the vinyl on top. Be sure to comment. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe and all the good stuff, you know. I've got these Valspar color samples from Lowe's. I love them. They're so affordable. You grab a swatch, take it up there, and these are like $3–4. The color I had made was Garden Pool. You can see I've hardly used any, and I've used it on many projects. With the pouring medium, it's supposed to be like a 1-to-1, so these clear cups are nice. The pouring medium I paid $8 for on Amazon. We have done 4 canvases, the larger ones, not the tiny ones. And we are to about here, so we're under half, but we're not at a third. If you mix it well enough, it really does not do anything to dilute your colors. It's time for the fun. Okay? It really is. This is the fun part. If there's an artist in you, let it out. Don't ever hold back. I've turned it all the ways now. So it's getting all of the cells and some really cool movement I didn't anticipate. That I really suggest you try this if you haven't. And if you're like me and you don't like the mess, I got the pan at Dollar Tree, the roasting pan. I got the baker's rack from my stash. I don't bake as much as I used to, so it was in my house. They have them at the Dollar Tree too, but they're not going to be as reusable, okay? So get a good baking rack. The paints, what do I have here? I have $12 in paint, $8 in pouring paint, so $20. I think all in for the girls to do some crafts, I was at like $25, $30. So now, I mean, I still have all this left. Let me know what you would want to see me make next with the paint pouring. I have seen some amazing things. I've been curious if I was capable of doing like a tabletop and then maybe we epoxy it to set it. What do y'all think? I didn't end up using any black in it. We'll use black vinyl for the welcome. It's really evolved in just this little bit of time. don't usually get in and swirl mine and like add anything to it. I just let gravity do it all for me. How do you do yours? Alright, I think it's gone through all of its evolutions and all of its movement, and now we just let it dry. I'll cut the vinyl, weed it, and leave it sit till the morning probably. Okay, my design again, I went with the 11.75 circle as my outline. I'll use black permanent vinyl. My size is, looks like 11.736 by 6.95. Here we go. When I clicked make it, it was like 11.5 by 2. So I'm not certain if the text box outline is maybe giving us a weird measurement, but I didn't need far as much vinyl once I clicked make it. I use the everyday, let's see here, premium vinyl, just regular premium vinyl, default pressure. I'll clean my blade. It should cut perfectly. Before you unload, you can always peel up a corner and make sure that it cut well. Because if not, you can just, click cut again. Ours cut well. Alright, good morning. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We are completely dry. All those beautiful veins, colors, the way they melded. It's nice and flat. Yeah, I'm glad we put the words on top. Now we just have to figure out where to lay them. With us already having painted this, I will not be using regular transfer tape. I'll just use the stuff I've already used so that it doesn't have so much grip. I save my transfer tapes that are larger pieces that are worth it. We don't want to pull up any of that paint that we just laid. I like the way the wood glue works with the twine and the wood. And then I just used the hot glue for like the instant bond, you know. Did my best to center it. We'll give it time to dry. We'll hang it up and see how it looks. I know lots of people do bows and lots of additional things to their signs, but for me, I really like how this turned out. I hope you do too. Have a beautiful day.